We're in a remodel environment, so it's gonna be a little messy, but laundry room section we're doing, we are going to put the epoxy down at 30 square foot a gallon. So we're gonna put it really thick so we can get some more modeling, more designs at it. We're gonna be doing our white epoxy base, and then we're gonna add some other colors into that. It's gonna be a really cool project, really cool floors when we're done. All right, so notice we're doing our highlights at the same time because we're doing a different pour. If you're doing a base coat and then you're coming back and adding highlights, you never want to mix your highlights at the same time. We're gonna take this product, once it's colored, we're gonna go dump it out all over the floor. Highlights, the white, we're gonna throw some spray paints in it. So we're theoretically putting the product down all at the same time. So I just want to reiterate that. The reason you're seeing us mix our highlights at the same time is because we're dumping them out at the same time.
Oh, that's what it looks like.
Oh, sorry.
Cool.